we have promised that we'll discuss the latest court verdict, of which is Malachi versus the current trustees, he took the trust to court because the elections were not run lawfully according to him. So this is the information that we have managed to gather. Welcome back to the story. Na kinamokokobala. Obviously, we cannot read out the whole document, but if you're interested in reading the whole document, please send us a WhatsApp text on this number. The number will be here. Send us a WhatsApp text and we'll share the whole document with you. But here is the summary of what the judgment is saying. The Malachi Supreme Court judgment declared the January 2019 elections null and void because people used proxies to vote, and that is not allowed in the trust deed. Only 603 beneficiaries should vote. And another thing, the Malachi judgment ordered that the voting must be redone. The elections were null and void, and those elected on the day cannot be trustees. The effect was that everything the so-called trustees did was unlawful and null and void, including all the contracts and agreements with Westphalia. So this is what happened, and the current trust decided to challenge this this verdict, and they took the matter to Concord. So this is what taking the matter to Concord means. The appeal to Concord suspended the Malachi Supreme Court judgment. So this means that the current trustees are still trustees for as long as the the Concord judgment is not yet out. So, should the Concord dismiss the appeal, the Malachi Supreme Court judgment stands, meaning that there will be new elections that should be held within the period that the court has decided that the election should be. So, according to this legal interpretation that we got, they are saying that an appeal will normally be on the roll within 2 months. So if the Supreme Court, or let's just say that the decision that the Concord, which is the Constitutional Court, will take, it cannot be challenged. So that will be the final verdict. If the Concord is saying that there should be elections, it means that there will be re-elections. If the Concord says that there shouldn't be elections, it means that will be the final verdict. So from now on, we'll be waiting to hear on the verdict of the Concord. That is what we have managed to gather at this point, and should there be any more information about this, we'll give you an update. For now, thank you for tuning in for today's episode. If there is anything that you want to clarify, or there is something that you want clarity on, please send us a WhatsApp text. This is our WhatsApp number. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time we post something. We'll see you in our next upload.